My name is Mike Scott. I'm a state Game Warden Lieutenant with the Vermont Warden Service, part of the Vermont Department of Fish and Wildlife. We've had a cold December, and we want to review a few important ice safety tips before the season really gets underway. First and foremost, it's important to know that lakes do not freeze evenly. Even though you may be standing on safe ice a short ways away, the ice may be too thin to support you. It's important to check as you go. 4 inches of clear black ice is considered safe to walk on. If you're going to bring a snowmobile or an ATV on the ice, 6 to 7 inches is considered the minimum amount of ice to be safe. And then, if you're going to drive a vehicle on the ice, no less than 12 inches of solid black ice is recommended. 15 inches would be even better. As you head out on the ice, it's important to check everywhere you go, and an ice chisel, an ice spud, is the tool for that job. If you bang through the ice in 2 hits and the chisel goes through, you're on way too thin of ice and you need to back up the same way you came onto the ice. Check everywhere that you go and be careful walking in new areas. If you're going to be exploring ice, it's important to have ice safety picks, which allow you to claw your way out onto the ice if you happen to fall in. Wearing a life jacket is recommended when exploring new areas, and it's a good idea to go out with a friend and have a rope or some other way of reaching somebody who fell in through the ice and to be able to pull them out without approaching the hole. Be careful out there. Remember, no ice is safe ice. Check as you go, and have a great ice fishing season.